Hello guys, good morning, and this is Ava, and for today's vlog tayo ay magluluto ng pork special adobo. So this is like a version of humba style. So we have ingredients here. We have sugar, I put that Sprite, and we have banana blossom, peppercorn, black peppercorn, and we have laurel or laurel leaves, and we have white onions and garlic, and we have to put this pininyahang adobo. So yan ang ilagay ko guys. So hintayin muna natin siyang magmantika bago natin siya timplahan, or isang kutsa natin siya. Palabasin natin yung mantika. This is 1.5 kilos of pork. So, madami-dami siya. Siguro parang kasama na ang hapunan dito. So, palabasin lang natin yung oil niya bago natin siya timplahan. Ganyan talaga ako magluto ng adobo guys. Or, this is a humba version. Visayan style. So, hayaan muna natin siyang magmantika. Ayan. Ayun, ang lalaki ng hiwa, guys. Hayaan muna natin siya. Ayan. So, hayaan muna natin siya, guys, na lumabas talaga yung mantika niya bago natin timplahan. Nakakatakot. Medyo nagmantika na siya. So, kailangan pa natin siyang papulahin. Medyo mapula na siya. Pulahin pa natin. Right. So, nagmantika na siya guys. Check natin. Haluin natin siya ulit. At pumula na rin. Look at that. Ang dami kasi. Pumula na siya, oh. Napula na. So, this is the time na ilagay na natin ang sibuyas at bawang. Ilagay na lang natin dito. Gilid lang natin. So, medyo igisa natin ang sibuyas at bawang dito sa gitna. Alright. So, meron tayong white onion. White onion yan. And we have garlic. Ayan, napakaraming garlic. And we have laurel, bay leaves. Ayan. And we have black peppercorn. Alright. And mamaya na tong banana blossom. Haluin muna natin siya. Ayan. Ang bango. So, ang daming sibuyas guys sa kabawang. With peppercorn and bay leaves. Alright. So, lagyan na natin siya ng toyo. Ayan, meron tayong adobo series na toyo dyan. Oh. Kasi iba rin yung toyo na ginagamit ko. This is special toyo. Parang matamis na siya guys. Lagyan natin. Lahat na natin to kasi matamis naman. Ayan. May sauce pa. And we have to put the vinegar. We have vinegar here. Ayan. At ating haluin. Alright. And we have to put the sugar. We have sugar. Alright. And lagyan pa natin ng toyo kasi hindi siya mapula. A bit of toyo lang. Ayan. And now we have to put the nor and the banana blossom. This is banana blossom, guys. And haluin natin ulit. Alright. This is so yummy. This is adobo. Adobong baboy or pork adobo. So it's like a humba version. Visayan style. So now we have to put the Sprite. Meron tayong Sprite dito. Ilagay na natin lahat yan. And let it simmer for another 10 minutes para lumambot talaga yung pork. Alright. Takpan muna natin. Ayan, abang-abang. At yan ay napakasarap. Kumulo na siya, guys. So, hintayin natin siyang matuyo. So, malapit na siyang matuyo, guys. Matuyuin pa natin para lalo siyang lumambot. The meat will be, tender. Let's check it again. Wow. It's almost there. Look at this, guys. So yummy. More. Check. Alright, ayan na siya. Kunti na lang. Kunti pa, guys. This is so yummy. Wow. Smell good. So, check natin ulit, guys. Wow. This is amazing. Wow. It's mouth-watering. This is so yummy. So, for plating na tayo, guys. Ito ay luto na. This is already cooked. And look at the meat. Kumunti na lang. So, plating na tayo, guys. Ito ay luto na. Alright. Napakasarap nito, guys. Sabaw pa lang ulam na. Sauce pa lang ulam na. Oh my God. So, luto na, guys, ang ating pork adobo. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng onion. Yan. Siguradong masasarapan ang buong pamilya, guys, pag natikman ito. Ayan. So, this is it. This is our finished product. Our adobo, special pork adobo. Ayan. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoy my video, guys. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Let's have some lunch. Ayan. This is too much for us. So, thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you, guys, for watching. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.